Okay guys, so in this video person kasafa adebia will be a bit make bit na be your life bro. Most of the times na man for doing say they need to like nyeska be bransan wetin nyeska. What I say and a negative mindset bro. Adebia person winya no. Nyankopon abress here with whatever we want to have in life. Right now no, the Nyankopon dia man no. Do you know say we can use it to become whatever you want to? But I say that's why I'm more better start creating content, you know. I'm almost say use what you have. Start with your phone. Cause said the next one start on Saturday talk comes. Next one start on Saturday fact scanty. Or Saturday small. Or Saturday with the knowledge na one. So and then me as I'm for be try and say I'm going train BB. And some with my Saturday BB. Like obi so Saturday business it take money to get rich. There be bro. Right now, we are set to the stand that wait me the wild drain. Young fat Jumadin ye be move. A wild drain, so Charlie, Mr. Use what you have. You can use, you can do it, bro. And I'm about to choir. Over so I use what you have to get what you want in life, bro. And I'm a big fan of this thing because back then, no. When I started my content creation, I started with my iPhone 7 before I bought camera. So I know what I'm talking about. And when I was starting, we are seeing naturally, Obi and Keo and for Obi and who. I didn't be now started, we are nobody cares. So it's better to stay under pressure. It's better to use what you have. So as I'm recording now, I won't say I will improve no. Cause also you can after about experience and so you don't need to lose money at that time, bro. And then I was that you don't need to lose money at that time, bro. So it's better to use what you have. So number 4 things I'm better no share. So first let me to my catcher and say identify your strength, bro. Nipa be our talent, nipa be our skills, nipa be our passion. So the moment for you to use what you have to get what you want in life, you have to identify your passion, your talent, your skills. We be also identify. Also, tenacity no business. A dear Benny manager home. My skills any day, my talent any day. After getting the also team also the moment I bet me these 3 things, I then said these are the basic. Or passion, the Benny manager home, or talent, or get when I go on the mouth and a skills when I want to so these 3 things bet me above, and these are the 3 things I uncle talk. Now go on the chair. I then say skills and one bit me but mostly skills and but passion, talent in there on. So the second one, so and is that also how I bet me a use and number bet after getting the talent, after getting all the passion, a quite best I bet me I'm an ababesika. Sometimes no passion they be say only footballers no more passion na ewa. The rest and say we person yeah actor and Netflix, YouTube, and they be na person here. O person yeah the journalist, person yeah pharmacist, school. So this second part of me to say leverage your resources, bro. Utilize what you have. Set a network, knowledge and experience. But me so experience now that any man person we are seeing now. So here so go invest that evidence. I know man dey bro. And the third one should be resourceful, bro. Be creative. Is it you ask nature mo? Be creative. If you ask say, you ask na question for be black, let be disca. Sana you ask right now. That's why tuba she say madam it's about touch. What I say? Or the baby I say and we disca. I'm money key don't pay for chicken boom. I'm money key don't pay for chicken or the baby I say. So run on or talent give to me. Also you have to be resourceful, bro. Be resourceful. You have to start creating like also we start to create and you remember bad things will happen to you and you have to stay focused. Now to me bro right now no challenge na me say you have to stay obstacles blah bro obstacles blah Charlie. And the fourth one so focus on your progress. That's the last one, bro. And now, the moment that you focus every to penal, Charlie, I say yo, focus on your progress. Focus, bro. I wasn't say focus on your progress, bro. Focus, and celebrate small wins. Once you are on your journey, celebrate your small wins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Me too. I enjoyed this video. So Charlie, see you guys in my next video.